Morning. I hope you're having a nice day in Christ. I'm just hoping that I'm able to encourage you today. And I want to read to you from Psalm 118, verse 24. This is the day which the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. So I have a choice. I can move through the moments of my day in fear, in worry and doubt, and I can basically glorify the devil, because that's what he wants. He wants us to destroy ourselves, to implode. He wants us to wallow and live in the past and relive the pain of the past and feel condemned and guilty and full of doubt, fearful about the future, dreading, anxious. And I will be glorifying the devil, because that's what he wants. Or I can choose to glorify God and believe what he says. This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. This day, I choose to go beyond the fears and the doubts and the limitations that prevent others from reaching their full potential in life and in Christ. This day, I choose to go beyond fears and the doubts and the limitations that prevent others from reaching their full potential in Christ. I hope this helps you. I hope that you choose along with me together to live fully, to enjoy the rest and the peace that God has given us in Christ. Those words are helping me already. I hope they're helping you. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. I hope you'll come back. I hope you'll share this with others. And we are going to move, all of us together, to the next level, always reaching for higher ground. God bless you.